Tell me your name.
My name is Dr. Van Cleaf, and
Where are you from?
I'm from Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. That's where I practice.
All right.
So, as far as this course, how it compares to other courses, I think that's really great. I've taken different implant courses in the past. I think the best thing with this that really sets it apart is the hands-on experience that you get. You could sit in a lecture. We've all sat in lectures in dental school, but you know that you don't really learn it until you get in there and you're doing it in the clinic. So that's really what I would say puts this course beyond anything that I've experienced before, where we all know about implants, we restore them, but if you want to get into placing them, you want to be able to do that. A lot of courses that you might get a similar experience, you might either have to find your own patient, bring them, drag them hours, maybe to another state. You have to find somewhere reliable, and it's usually just one patient, or you might have to spend multiple times the cost and fly to another country to get something similar. So that's what really drew me to this course. Would I recommend this course to others? Yes, I found out about a year and a half, 2 years ago. The timing wasn't right to come out and do it. I brought on 2 other guys that I work with. We're in a group practice, and they're 2 of my partners. And we have several friends from school that after texting them about the course while we're down here, they're already saying they're going to sign up for one of the future sessions for next year. Favorite thing is really the people and the hands-on experience, which far exceeded what I would do. You know, you hear, oh, you place this many implants, you do this many procedures. And I said, well, I don't need to go in and place 1,000 implants. I want to place a couple, but have a variety of procedures.
Right.
We were asked to give a list of our requests. What do we want to do? I said 2 to 4 implant overdentures, some extractions, grafting, some single, and that's exactly what I got. Got extractions with grafting, alveoplasty for 2 implant overdenture, 4 implant overdenture, to 6 and 11 placement, 29 and 30, and a 29 placement. So that's really what I wanted to do, and we did them. My partner and I worked together. We shared each case, and
So pretty much whatever you asked of the course, they were able to deliver it.
Yep, we got exactly what we wanted and what we hoped for. And do I feel it will benefit the practice? Yes. Practicing 6 years already, I restore plenty of implants. It's something that we've had lectures in dental school. I've gone to lectures and really just wanted, kind of, like anybody, you want the confidence, somebody being there to hold your hand if you need it while you're doing it. And they did a great job with that, making us feel comfortable and really giving the confidence to do what you could already do. So, yeah, so great. Thanks for everything.
Thank y'all.